Let's get some final trader thoughts now from Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot. Joel, what's your trade of the day?
Thanks for having me, Angie. Always a pleasure. Today, I'm looking at Facebook, or as we've grown to know it, Meta. This is a stock that I think is very much undervalued. I think there's a lot more room to the upside. I know they've been in the news for all the wrong reasons as of late, but I think until some other social media platform can replicate what they do, I think this is a name that I am very interested in. Because of that, I'm very bullish out until early next year.
Joel, where do you see Meta/Facebook going from here?
Well, I think the 52-week high currently sits right around 380-ish or so. I think it's around 384, if I'm not to be mistaken. Right now, trading right around the 330 mark. So if we can get back anywhere above that 350 level or so between now and right before earnings of January, I think earnings report January 26th, I think there's some real optimism there, especially if the market continues to have this bullish momentum we've seen in the U-turn of that volatility, that sell-off that we saw a week and a half or so ago. So if that bullish momentum can continue, I think a name like Meta can definitely benefit from the overall trend of the market. And we'll possibly see maybe 340s, 350s here very soon.
Joel, before you take off, what do you think about this Peloton trade?
I've been somewhat very bearish on Peloton. I think that, I think quite frankly, there's been a lot of volatility, a lot of analyst downgrades. I think some of the, even the option paper has shown to be somewhat biased to the downside. However, I think some of the swings and the vol around it can make for a bumpy ride in either direction. So I think there's some caution there, but I do think there is some more momentum to the downside coming very soon.
Thank you, Joel. Have a great rest of your week.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.